Of course, in as much as in this stage, in as much as we don't know where the fruiting might be popping out from, the flower might be popping out from, but we're going to still go ahead and do this. Might be popping out from here or there or here or there. So, but we're still going to go ahead and support the banana. When the fruiting starts, then we know where it's coming from. If we're going to adjust, we'll do the adjustment. So we're going to go ahead and then measure. We use the length of this. Measure. This is 9 feet and a half. 9 feet and a half. That is 9 feet 6 inches. So we're going to do the same here. We're going to actually measure out 9 feet 6 inches. So we're going to be burying 2 feet in the ground. Then we have 7 feet popping out. We're going to be burying 2 feet in the ground. We're going to actually make sure we have 2 feet as a depth. 2 feet is okay, so that the bamboo can actually hold the banana plant well firm. So 6 inches more. 6 inches more. Okay. So put our bamboo. Yes. And we cover. Let's see if we can